That's not real. That's insane.
That's insane.
So I'm guessing that like 746 candle is part of his speech or whatever.
Yeah,
Perhaps
it
I'm
has to
gonna view
be.
it as a data wick.
Yeah.
I'll just label it Trump data. Literally. I mean, it's like where we're sitting is honestly like 50-50 unbiased. Only thing that I see is just having the SMT at the top.
Hmm. I agree. There's really nothing right here. I can't frame anything really. I mean, we're coming out of a 15 minute, but that's it. We're just in
This 4 hour
steady.
might want to rebalance like down into that gap.
Definitely, yeah. SMT at the top. I could definitely see that.
Yeah, maybe external to internal. Because now we're consolidating at the top here. It's like the market has two options. Either it's gonna like break through all those highs to go higher, or it's gonna retrace down
Hmm.
into like imbalances. So you could probably short into
That's true. Honestly, I like that.
like this 4 hour is just super extended. Like this week we've already moved up almost 1,200 points. That's almost 5%.
That's
It's
insane.
Wednesday. Yeah,
That's
it's literally
absolutely
Wednesday.
insane.
So I wouldn't be surprised if like I don't know we start slowing down. Like that's that's just insane. Like volume. And the VIX is only at $17.
Wow. That's yeah. I mean, ranges look super small today.
Yeah, they are. They're extremely small. Even the overnight ranges were like super fucking small. You could run like two minis and have pretty light risk.
Hmm. Yeah, honestly, this looks terrible. This price action right now.
Yeah, it doesn't look that great. Like the actual any like draws higher after these like recent highs would be like 219. I don't think we have the volume for that
Oh
for
yeah,
200 points up.
yeah.
So honestly, it's gonna be weird. I mean, even the volume levels are all close together because we're just ranging.
Yeah, honestly, today might just be terrible, or there might be just like one move right at open. So like, try and be ready for the market open.
Yeah, I'm hoping. I mean, I really do like the idea of us like retracing lower. We could take out this PM lows into the 4 hour.
We have this rejection block here. The indicator that we just made
Mm.
has 5 minute rejection block, 3 minute rejection block, 0.705 midnight open, all lined up at like 0.21.
I'm not gonna lie, that is actually a crazy area.
Yeah, pretty sensitive area. So definitely gonna be
Value
watching
area
that.
highs there too at 017
Oh word.
in that wick. Yeah,
Yeah, so definitely let's keep an eye out for that area.
that's valid. Yeah, that high made the S&T swept out like internal highs. It was like a super sharp rejection down, but it's look pretty nice. The fibs line up really good with it.
Yep.
705 is basically like CE. It's like right below CE of the wick. It's actually crazy.
705.
Depending how you take your fib.
Oh. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
We're actually sitting at 26K right now. That's insane.
It actually is pretty insane.
Like we dropped all the way down into like the high 22,000s,
Yep.
and then we buy it all back up like within a week or two. Not even. That's insane.
Breaking news: Donald Trump has announced on Fox News that the Iran war is over.
Yeah, that's what he tweeted last night. The shit was so stupid. I'm like, bro, there's no way the market's reacting to this, and it's like, does Iran know the war's over?
Yeah, no, they don't. They don't think they. We think that the war is over. They don't think the war is over.
Nope. Just insane, bro.
Just make it easy for us, NQ.
No, literally. Don't have. There's no like London low. There's no like session draws lower, and then technically really no session draw higher. It's just those like weird wicks.
Yeah. I don't know if you saw Quaz. Quaz was just in here.
Oh, for real?
Um, honestly, I really do like this area right here. This 7 or 020 ish area, 017 ish area.
Yeah, and that wick.
I want to see us get some sort of a reaction off of it.
But they can just make it easy. You saw they're getting rid of like the PDT rule.
Yeah, that's actually pretty sick.
They're trying to take advantage of retail.
Honestly, they do. They want to take advantage of retail.
They want to rinse them.
I started doing options more and more, a little bit.
Yeah, it's solid, honestly. Some of these moves are just like grinding moves. The options sometimes are better.
I agree, honestly. What's up, fellas? Yeah, I told you I sold some of the Intel position. I bought a lot of LLY with that, and then I kept 1,500 on the side to play with options. So now every time I make whatever, like 200, 300, whatever, how much ever money, I just buy that amount in shares and I just keep 1,500 and just sitting there.
That's solid, honestly. Yeah. You can really like put 1,500 into 10K if you trade it right.
Yeah, and every time I win, I just buy like a quarter of a share of LLY, and I just keep buying.
It's honestly the method.
I'm up to like
Take their money and buy shares of it.
exactly, and then now that money just sits in shares. Like I'm not touching that money, just keeps growing the portfolio that way, just slowly.
It's actually solid.
Dude, I can't believe Nasdaq was at. Bro, so I told you about I bought TQQQ or no?
Yeah, I think you told me.
Like the really small amount.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we're at up 22%.
Jesus.
And that was after buying from the daily inverse. So like if we bought it after the daily inverse, like we would just be holding, like it's not no time decay or anything on it. Like if we weren't right there, we would have just, been holding.
Yeah, exactly. Bro, yesterday, like, if you had like call options yesterday, you were just holding them through. Actually, insane.
Crazy, bro. What's up, fellas?
This guy Daisy Trades, where he smacked like 100K on NDX options.
The 115K, right?
Yeah, he took like the NDX calls
Mm-hmm.
at like 25 each, and then the screenshot that he showed on Twitter, they were sitting at 121 each. He had 10 contracts.
Jeez. Yeah, bro, and I'm sitting over here like giddy over $3,000.
Bro, I'm not like that guy. That guy's insane. Bro took out almost $1 million from Apex, and then is just printing on options.
It's insane.
Oh yeah, now I see. Yeah, it was 115. Bro did almost 500%,
Mm-hmm.
dude.
Insane, dude.
And he's just in Japan right now too.
I didn't even know that. That's crazy.
Yeah, bro's just traveling in Japan, smacking options. That is actually insane. Sheesh. It probably just looks like numbers to him at this point.
Well, I mean, dude, it becomes just like a video game. Like,
Literally, it's literally a scoreboard.
it's just hard to get to that point, Like they say, like making your first 100,000 is the hardest part, but making the million after that 100,000 is not that bad,
That is true.
It's just like once you got money, you can, let your nuts hang a little bit.
Yeah, facts. Because I mean, realistically, the percentage gain he did on that, like his risk compared to what he made was not that much. Like, I mean, 430%, which means he wasn't really like over leveraged on that position. He just let it run.
No, yeah, he probably put
That is
20 grand in.
insane.
He probably had like a
Yep.
10 to 15 grand stop loss and made 100K off of it.
That's true. Or he sides for 0 too.
Yeah.
One of the two.
Yeah. I think what it boils down to is we need to stop being little scared bitches. Fucking pussies.
Yeah. All right, you're right. Let's smack something today, actually. Let's actually smack something today. There's opportunity. We just don't squint hard enough. We just have to squint through the consolidation.
Mm-hmm. There's opportunity every day.
Bro, Brez posted a Mark IV Super and an R34 and said one of these are tempting. I hope to God he doesn't get one of those cars, bro. It's going to ruin it.
Bro, I don't know. I feel like he's losing a lot of money.
Nah, I think he's chilling, bro. He has like a richer mill I don't even know about. I feel like he's chilling, but he's at the point now where I think like he can kind of do anything he wants, and now it's like the money doesn't even matter.
Yeah, I mean, you might be right. Like, dude, he bought.
That's why all those Epstein fucks were all like doing weird shit because they all just had so much money.
Well, yeah, yeah. But, like he bought that Trackhawk, bought like $50,000 in upgrades, didn't even do anything.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I think a lot of those like cars and stuff are just like write-offs, to be honest. As long as they make content on the car or whatever, they can write it off. Is the main thing.
I bought that Camry yesterday. That's gonna be a write-off.
Yeah, exactly. You can use it like for trading content.
Mm-hmm.
Therefore, it could be a write-off.
And honestly, I'm gonna start that food thing.
Oh yeah, yeah, that would be solid. Honestly, yeah.
Yep.
People will sit and watch those videos like repeatedly.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, shit, I do.
I'm not gonna lie, I do too.
I don't know why. It's just like I don't know. They're like entertaining for whatever reason.
Mm-hmm.
I'll probably get one of those cameras like when I like start traveling more consistent.
Yeah, no.
Then I can just like vlog everything.
This camera is sick, bro. It really is.
I looked down for a second. What's that candle? All right, we're filling that wick. But I wondered if ES looks how it looks, is that wick gonna be valid?
Yeah, YM's about to take that top wick too.
I mean, I guess we'll just see, right? We just react and see if it comes off of these levels. It's just gonna be fried because I feel like once we take out like 058, like that final like weird wick high, it's just gonna be hard to long. I don't want to chase longs again.
No, definitely. We're coming up to that area right here. See what happens there.
It's like yesterday, bro. I feel like if yesterday you found like longs, it's like to where though? Like where did you long to? And like yesterday, the retraces were weird. Like every little SMT that was getting put in was holding.
Honestly, I was checked out yesterday. I don't even remember what happened. It was
Yesterday
crazy.
was actually us.
Yeah.
It was just annoying. Like I sat there, fucking watched the chop work, and then of course get off, and 11 a.m. just starts to fucking expand.
Mhm.
Ridiculous.
Tap .705 perfectly there.
Yeah, we did. And this candle has no bottom look either. This is 5 minute.
Yep. Wow. Okay.
It's at midnight open as well. 7:05. Ideally, would want to start seeing reactions off of that.
Mhm.
Damn, with this 1 minute inverse off of that, like if we get it with like a nice close, wouldn't be bad, but gonna be right into open.
Yeah. YM just took that data high.
That says an SMT there.
Mhm.
So value area high right now is at 017. So for as long as we're above that, we're above value area high. If we like reject and we come back below, I would assume then we're gonna start pushing lower. We got this value area low at 974, kind of like just above those internal lows at like 960.
Okay.
I'd probably just target the range low if I short down to like 933. If I get anything.
933. Okay, word.
Yeah, just that final range low. And then we still have like the PM lows in the 4 hour, depending how we move. And then higher, like the most I target is 058, but where we're at, I don't even think you'll get like risk to reward to target it.
Yeah, that is pretty close, honestly.
Jesus, the S&P's back in the 7Ks.
That is insane. Wow.
Like, you know what's crazy too? I realized, bro, banks and institutions are just as dumb as retail. Like 2 weeks ago when we were dumping, they were like, "Oh, Goldman Sachs is bearish right now. They believe we're in a correction." Bank of America, etc. And then we start running up, and Bank of America goes, they're cautiously bullish, believing that this is a recovery. Like, what do you mean?
It could just be fun to make retail believe it, you know?
Potentially. I mean, bro, the thing is, like that monthly gap, the whole world was talking about it. I genuinely didn't think we were just gonna blast off from it because every single person was like, "I'm buying everything down here."
No,
And it made me just think like, oh, we're just gonna fall through it because the whole world said they're gonna buy there. And it plays out. It's just insane how like they use news to put us down in those levels and then run us.
it's so insane, bro. It's actually so insane.
We've witnessed it now twice with tariffs and now with the war.
I'm a big believer in it.
But both sides, like both times, are just sketchy. Like every time it runs up, it's at the most sketchy time of everything.
I know. It's hard to actually really predict it. You're right.
But I guess that's the whole point.
Mhm.
Fade as many people out as you can.
Mhm.
Open in 5 seconds.
Yeah.
This 5 minute is not really like doing what I expected it to off the wick. All right.
Well then.
Huh. Wait, did ES take that high? It didn't. Huh. Technically, like the wick fill is still valid. We tap 7-9 and
Mhm.
we're holding below it so far. Trying to think if I like this 930 cap or this 1 minute cap or not to flip.
For it to flip, honestly, yeah.
I feel like I wouldn't hate it.
Yeah, that would be kind of a nice flip.
Okay.
Did we run data highs? No, we didn't.
Nah. I think it's just YM that has the SMT there.
Mhm.
ES might hold strength for it. I should just take that winning day on Lucid, or I shouldn't trade them for this AM session.
Yeah, just take it honestly, in my opinion.
Yeah.
know, you secured the day. It's chill.
Yeah, it was a decent, like a pretty decent one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We have a 1 minute SMT here.
Yeah, ES actually did take data high as well.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I might jab this.
This looks strong too.
I'm taking it.
That's valid. I'm gonna jab it too.
I'm putting my stop at that 931 candles high.
Word. I'm going super light risk here.
But, let's see. If it can slam back down, I either want to break even at like 979 or I might wait for 960. One of the two. Come on, NQ, give us something free just for one time.
Wow, dude. Like, what the fuck? What is this?
Jesus. Well,
Honestly,
they didn't even give me a chance.
honestly, fuck the 3 minute. We should have waited for the 3 minute there.
I didn't even peep that.
Yeah. Unless.
They didn't even give me the chance. All right, thank you. Don't do some bullshit. It's actually pick a direction. I do feel like higher just doesn't like. How long is this 4 hour going to just distribute up?
I mean.
And why is ES the leader of it all?
Dude, it's
Like
actually
that's
insane.
insane.
Actually insane.
They didn't even give me a lick of like profit on that short either. That is like, wow. Let's see. There's really no structure to go off of on like the 5. The 15 is just holding like a tiny gap from pre-market. But like ES already took out all those highs. ES has a draw at like 7,021, so it's like 2 points away.
Okay.
ES did made a first percentage gap, very small one.
Oh, word. Okay, yeah.
Just tapped it.
It looks super, like, not in sync right now.
Yeah, they do look odd. We have SMT at like the recent highs here.
Mm-hmm.
Now NQ stronger.
Yeah. I mean, at this point, I want to see us take out the data high. I don't want to see us leave it. I mean,
Yeah. It's just so weird how small the range. Like that's only, or like the 058 is like 34 points, and then 048 is only 24.
yeah, it's just really zero room for us here.
Right. All right. Let's see if we can start moving here. This 5 minute is just pretty much just indecisive. Like we're wicking up and down. There's no true direction yet. That 3 minute inverse could possibly still offer like a move. We're super wicky at the top here.
Yep.
Like kind of rejecting higher.
No, that's what I too. Definitely watch this 3 minute.
Our new value area high is at what is it? 022. So kind of where we're hovering around.
Okay. There's just gonna be a random fucking spike candle. Watch. It just.
Yeah, deadass. I mean, look at ES. ES is like just trending higher.
It's crazy, bro.
But NQ, it's just like NQ just refuses. NQ is like basically getting dragged along with it, like against its will. Is what it looks like.
Literally.
ES just wicked out that 7,021 draw. Either that or did it make a perfect equal high? Let's see. It made an equal high.
Wow. Okay. Let me know if it takes it.
But
I mean, these wicks look disgusting.
genuinely. And then ES just playing continuation perfectly.
And there's a spike. Just out of nowhere.
Holy.
Nah, I mean, I took a stop out. Took a 3 micro stop out. I can actually say that was retarded.
Yeah, I mean that trade didn't even go into a tick of profit. Like that shit is disgusting.
Yeah.
And there was a part of me that almost wanted to like wait to see if the next candle was gonna like continue off of that. And then I was just like, nah, that candle close is strong enough. I'll take it. I mean, it's what I wanted to see.
That was a super strong candle close. Like.
Yeah, I mean, we had enough confluence there. We had the SMT at those like data highs, and the wick fill was holding. We closed back below midnight. I mean, mechanically, it all looked nice.
Yeah.
And then we had like low resistance liquidity down. Trendline liquidity. Look good. They're literally like taking turns with like strength.
It's actually insane.
What is happening? Bro, I damn near might try and long ES up to like 7,034, bro. At this point, it might be worth like ES might be the better pair just because it actually has draws above.
I mean, honestly, dude, it's not a bad idea.
Like, look at the 15-minute candle. NQ's just like lagging so hard. ES also made a 5-minute gap. Oh, and Q ended up taking all those data wicks.
Okay.
True. I mean, it's like, how do you even trade up to those anyway?
No, there was nothing there. I mean, I did like the shorts out of the rejection block, but there was nothing there for longs.
Yeah.
I mean, this just looks garbage. Even the lower time frames, they just look super wicked.
Yeah, that's the problem. previous 5-minute close was pretty strong.
Yeah, Hyman, I agree. I mean, in any other day, we probably get some follow through and inverse the 3 minute there. You know.
Yeah, I didn't even peep that 3-minute was there, to be honest.
That's all right.
Let's see. So, I mean, we swept out those wick highs now.
Mm-hmm.
Enki realistically doesn't really have any draws nearby until 219, which with this range, that's not happening.
Honestly, yeah, I agree. There's no way we just rip higher, right?
Yeah, I mean, that'd have to be like a 0.7% of a move, like 180 points.
That would be insane.
I don't think. We would need like a catalyst. There have to be some catalyst that just starts pumping price.
Mm-hmm. If we inverse this 2 minute, I think I might take a jab.
Yeah, I kind of don't mind us coming, like eventually coming lower here. I mean, technically, we didn't have manipulation for the move up. Like, we didn't really like hit a confluence or anything. I mean, the 15 before the open is about it, but other than that, let me actually see.
I'm gonna take this inverse, I think.
Bet.
As long as we get a nice strong candle close.
Yeah, we did get a proper sweep at the top there. Could be good.
Mm-hmm. I like all this low resistance liquidity that we built up.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, like on the 1 minute, especially, it just has straight trend line liquidity down to 960.
Mm-hmm. Watch, I'm gonna not take the premature entry, and I'm gonna get a terrible fill.
Fuck. Hopefully not. Yes, just tap the 5 minute here. Low key could close it in a minute and then start the move. We're pretty correlated on this, like this round off here.
I really like this 2 minutes. I'm gonna take this 2 minute here. Let's see if I get filled. Alright, man.
Run it, NQ.
No way, right?
I want to see ES close at 5. I think if ES closes at 5, then we can start just like slow grinding downward.
Mm-hmm. Honestly,
at the very least.
I want to see that 2 minutes close too. That 5
Yeah.
minutes, sorry.
You see. As long as they stay correlated, I mean, ES is weaker now, which is annoying as fuck. Like, but could be solid actually.
SMT.
ES is weaker. Yeah.
I want to see follow through though. Holy.
Wow. What the fuck? Well, guess I won't be getting an entry. I was gonna try the 1 minute CISD, and I guess I just won't.
Holy shit.
Like, what the fuck?
Worm's dumping here.
Dude, like they just spawned that.
Holy shit.
50.1 minute candle. That's the whole range.
Bro, holy shit.
Damn.
Shit.
All right, let me see.
M. I don't know your name. Good shit. I want to see this lower, honestly.
Yeah, no, I do think if we can hold volume like this, we can push into those range lows. At least 933, like 960, and then 933 after.
Mm-hmm. Good shit, Order. Good shit, Rod. Good shit, Phillips, yeah. I mean, I would like to see us follow through here, but, I mean, this wick is kind of crazy. That's valid, Rod. Good shit.
Let's see. Made that SMT.
We closed the 5 minute there, right?
Let me check. Oh yeah, we made a CISD as well.
about to take New York PM low from yesterday.
That's insane. Come on, don't just slow down now.
Wow, I didn't realize we rejected perfectly off negative 2.5 standard deviation.
Jeez.
The high.
Aligned with those like wick highs.
Yeah. I mean, dude, this is crazy V-shape.
That ass.
You just tapped a 2 minute there.
Yes, it's weak as shit though. They just switch strength insane.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is perfect alignment. This is easy to navigate.
So we like made like an equal low at value area low there, and that moved down. I'd want to see lower though, but like this is odd.
Jeez.
Like what? Sell it off fast and buy it back faster, I guess. Like what the?
And ES is not even close.
Yeah, no, yes, it just like kind of looks like a retrace.
Mm-hmm. I'm still holding these puts.
See if ES can try and drag price back down.
Yeah. If we break this high, I'm gonna get out. I want to see this 2 minute fail though.
Let me see.
Just like a pattern creator fail.
Oh yeah. Yeah, keep that. Actually valid. That's crazy. ES didn't even tap that 2 minute, let alone inverse.
No, that's what I mean. They look super discorrelated here.
Yeah.
I'm still in 2 order. If we take out this wick high though, if we take out high day, I'm out. I'm done for the day.
We're in the macro, so hopefully we can start displacing
Some follow, bro.
something. Anything. Yes, might make a like 5 minute BPR, depending how this closes here.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, dude, honestly, I really like lower. Like all this low resistance. Like.
Yeah, it does look good, especially after taking out like the range highs.
Mm-hmm. Honestly, like I don't even want to sell this position. Like I want to see lower today.
Shit just needs to start speeding down.
Mm-hmm.
It says the U.S. and Iran have agreed to meet, but haven't decided on a date or a venue. Like a venue, like they're getting married or some shit, bro. Like what the fuck? And I mean, yeah, that explains like the random mass V shape. What I thought about was so crazy. They sent JD Vance to go and negotiate like they knew the risk of sending like a leader there, and they made sure not to send Trump. That's so fucked.
That's crazy.
Oh, what is this shit doing?
It's so garbage, dude.
ES is stagnant down here.
I mean, I don't even know, dude. Like I want to see lower, but ES like NQ is not having any follow through whatsoever.
Yeah, that's why I'm doing. Damn, why I'm plummeted? What the fuck?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Jeez. Of course, we have to trade this garbage, and then YM just gives a one direction move. Wow. Do something. Do something.
Hey?
Yes, did open up at BPR on the 5. It's actually like almost like a perfect BPR too. Just plummet.
Come on. Sat patiently and waited.
Literally. You gotta sit through like an hour of price action for NQ nowadays.
Just to have one small little move.
Literally.
I mean, that wick.
This volume is fucking horrible.
There's New York CMO on YM.
Jeez. Why does YM get to just move clean?
Oh, and every day, too. It's not like it's just day.
Literally. It's always just one direction.
Mm-hmm.
Insane.
Jesus. I'm gonna hold off from selling for 30 seconds if that was just a quick stop out. This is getting
It's just weird how like ES is printing alongside.
I know. We have S&T there now.
Yeah, it's a fat S&T as well.
Need a 15-second inverse there. That sends us.
This shit just needs to do something.
Dude, this
15 seconds.
Yeah, everything is fucking.
This is like, this is a weird price. Can't lie. Super fucking weird. Well, I guess is this what happens when we expand 1,000 or almost 1,300 points in 2 days?
Yep.
Like, jeez, man.
If we retake high day, I'm closing the position. I'm getting off. That's the last like high I want to see put in.
It's valid. This shit is so trash.
Yeah, this is just normal TA now, Hyman. Welcome to the good life. This is also why I kind of like options better than futures. Because like, dude,
Yeah.
where I'd just be stopped out right here. I mean, if there's been many times where I've been stopped out and it delivers. Is what I'm trying to say. Like, this might be one of those.
I am just bring Biden back, bro. Impeach Trump, send him to Israel, and give us Biden back. I won't take him for granted this time. I didn't know how good it was to have a silent president.
Dude.
I was too busy making fun of him, but it was actually valid because he couldn't manipulate anything,
Yeah.
even himself. And now we get this.
I mean, this
And if I
is.
recall, didn't Trump say we're gonna get so tired of winning? Well, I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm tired of losing.
I'm tired of losing.
At least Intel's going up.
At least, yeah. I mean, hey, I mean, the ports are stable right now. That's a great thing.
Yeah. I actually don't get depressed when I look at my portfolio now.
Bro, my boy fucking Tanner, I told him because we took that short and I told him I lost. And then he took a long, he lost. He said, you lost a short, I lost a long. We got squad wiped.
Yeah, and I fucking got it too.
This shit, man, like, it's just like, and the thing is like, that short in any other conditions is just textbook as fuck.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just like, just no follow through ever.
Yeah, we take this high day. I'm done so.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch this and see, but I mean, I don't really think anything's gonna happen. If anything, if longs do happen, I'd probably want a long ES if it gets closer to those draws. And Q is just kind of now in like random territory. There's really no draws until 219 area. That's where we start getting back into like the buy side. Perhaps we're just gonna grind to all-time highs, no high time frame retrace.
I mean, honestly, dude, at this point, I would not be surprised.
We're opening up daily gaps every day too. That's insane. This weekly is definitely going to open up a weekly gap, so that's going to be interesting to see if we end up retracing or if it's like a breakaway and we just keep running. But we would have to sell off 5% to get to that gap, depending where we close. So that's insane.
That's insane.
Yeah. Look at the 15-minute, bro. Like, what do you even do here? This is so fried.
It's cooked, bro. Doubles marked down there too, bro. Like.
Yeah, this candle has no wick, but we are just ripping.
Yeah, no, I'm taking the stop out here.
Shit is garbage. Yes, my inverse is 5. That's not even worth.
Today, honestly.
Deadass. Like, bro, ES was leading before. How is it? How is it lagging now?
Yeah, this shit's cooked.
Disgusting price action.
What are you gonna
do? 10 a.m.
Yeah, I'm over it, honestly. I'm gonna pack it up.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck this market's doing right now. I just took the shorts, took the. I might just have to take the red on those.
Bro, if this is the start of the move, bro.
That would be some like disgusting shit. I can't lie. They would do that though.
Yeah.
They would do that shit.
I'm just hopping off before I take anything else.
That's fine, yeah.
Alright, fellas. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Unfortunately, this week,
Sure.
but I don't know. I think we just gotta keep going.
Yeah. Sure.
Alright, fellas. Catch you guys tomorrow.
Catch you guys in the morning.
Peace out.
Later.